You know, the most common response to fear, it's almost reflexive, is to turn away from it. And yeah, as you know, when we do, it follows us everywhere. One of the things that has come to me is that when I look at my fears, it's not even what the fear is about. I've come to see that just being a human being is the most vulnerable experience in the universe. We have fear just being a human being, and this free-floating fear that comes from the complexity of being a spiritual being that came from a vast sea of oneness and connectedness into this world of duality is pretty frightening. So I'm going to invite each one of us to be willing to let each one of us have our own unique experience of fear, right? We all have a one-of-a-kind constellation of fear. And just gently let the eyes soften. And consider this, that all we have to do with our fear, no matter what it is, no matter how strong it is get on the awareness elevator and push the willingness button. Yes, it does go down before it comes up. So with the power of active visualization, visualize yourself stepping into the awareness elevator. Look at that willingness button with the big W. Just notice all your feelings about being here. And just for now, notice yourself pushing the W. Feel the elevator doors close and feel it going down. Down, down, down. Notice all the ways you already are bracing yourself. Notice any way, any place tightness creeps into the body. Fight or flight. The elevator stops. And the doors open. And your heart stops too, until you notice a guardian angel on either side of the door. You see a scene of some great personal fear, yet also feel the protection as the angels each raise a hand towards you. They say, just stay where you are and look. That's enough. You feel yourself relax just a little. breathing more easily. The angels smile at you as the doors close, and you go back up. That wasn't so bad, you tell yourself, and so you do it again. Each time it's a little easier. You know now the angels will be there. Whatever the old terror. The elevator stops where you got on it. The doors open. You let your eyes open and see those of us here with you on our own ride into fear and back.